Hi, this is Justin from RGBlink. We're here on the booth at ISE, and we've got a bunch of new mini converters available in our range. The range seems to be ever growing, but this one of the new releases here is the MSP 415, which is a HDBaseT extender set for Cat6 and 4K solution there. Of course, they're built on the earlier models, but particularly for these 4K applications. And then we've also introduced a new KVM solution, MSP 329, so extends not just your video, but bi-directional for the keyboard, video and mouse, opening up a wide range of usage applications for remote monitors. Learn more about our MSP range, which is quite extensive, too much to cover here today of course, but go to our website www.rgblink.com.